I didn't just watch my chickens shiver this cold morning. I acted. I added a pinch of charcoal to their feed and poured hot water into their drinkers. Why charcoal? Charcoal helps absorb toxins in their system, supports digestion, and boosts their immunity, especially during this chilly weather when birds are more vulnerable. And that hot water, oh yes, it keeps their internal temperature stable and prevents them from getting too cold. Cold water can shock their system and slow down their appetite. Simple action, big impact. Don't wait till they start sneezing or going dull. Support their body from inside out. Charcoal and hot water, my two secrets for strong, active chicken, even in cold mornings.